Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a veg snack recipe with sweet corn. So let's start making it. Let's make dough first. Take 2 cups plain flour. Add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon karam seeds or ajwain. Add 2 tablespoons hot oil. Adding hot oil is very important to get crispy rolls. Mix well using hand. Now add little water and make dough. Dough should not be too soft. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new video. Now our dough is ready. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add chopped green chilies. Add half cup sweet corn. Fry till it changes color. Now lightly smash and add boiled potatoes. Here I added 2 big potatoes. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, add 1 teaspoon salt, mix and fry well. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix once. Press well to break any big pieces of potatoes. Now our stuffing is ready. Switch off the flame. Keep this aside. Take maida and water mixture. Take some part of prepared dough. Make ball like this. Roll it out to big roti. Now cut it into small triangles like I am doing. Now add prepared stuffing at the edges. In the same way, fill the stuffing. Apply water and maida paste to center like this. Now start rolling from outside to inside. Our first roll is ready. This is very easy process. With one roti, we will get many rolls. This snack can be made in very less time. In the same way, prepare all the rolls. To seal sides, dip rolls in maida mixture like this. Heat oil for deep frying. Carefully place prepared rolls. Fry them on low to medium heat. Turn to other side. Fry till golden brown, turning both sides. Now our rolls got perfect color. Take out of oil. Serve hot with ketchup. Crispy sweet corn rolls are ready. Hope you like my recipe. Please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.